Discover the surprising culinary skills of Neanderthals from 125,000 years ago. Imagine the world of 125,000 years ago, where Neanderthals in central Germany perfected a sophisticated method of processing animal fat. According to an insightful study at the Neumark-Nord 2 archaeological site, they systematically extracted fat from animal bones using water and heat, a discovery that reshapes our understanding of their nutritional wisdom and resource management. This groundbreaking research, published in Science Advances, involved an international team from respected institutions such as Repos, Leibniz Center for Archaeology, Leiden University in the Netherlands, and the State Office for Heritage Management and Archaeology of Saxony-Anhalt. The team uncovered that Neanderthals didn't just break bones to access marrow, a technique they shared with their early African forebears, but also broke the bones into chunks and boiled them to separate nutrient-rich bone grease. But here's where it gets controversial. This intricate and strategic fat processing shows the Neanderthals were far more adept at resource management than we had previously thought. They were not just primitive hunters. They showed a sophisticated understanding of the nutritional value of fat and how to efficiently obtain it, managing hunting operations, transporting animal carcasses, and rendering fat in specific areas. This showcases not only their intelligence, but also their ability to strategically plan for their survival. Controversy and comment. Neanderthals are often portrayed as brutish and unsophisticated. So what does this reveal about their intelligence? Could they have been more advanced than our own ancestors in certain ways? Share your thoughts below. Do you think Neanderthals had unique skills that modern humans overlooked? At the Neumark-Nord site, spanning from deer and horses to the massive straight-tusked elephants, the remains reflect a full interglacial ecosystem. The level of preservation at Neumark-Nord allows researchers to observe Neanderthal behavior across varied terrains, offering insights into their hunting techniques, butchering processes, and specialized fat extraction areas. These findings reveal Neanderthals as intelligent planners, capable of optimizing food resources and demonstrating an adaptive mastery of their environment, challenging how we think about human development and survival strategies during the prehistoric era.